What's up? Name's Sean. This is my premium Aurora frame. I ride Dan Foley's signature frame. I like 20.8. It's got a little extra clearance for tricks and whatnot. I got it custom painted silver, and I dig it. I ride premium whiskey bars and duo Corey Bowen grips. I ride a premium sub 10 stem with a premium headset cap. It's a little bit taller, so you don't have to run as many headset spacers and it looks way cleaner. I have premium FYB forks and a premium V1 front wheel. I like it because it's interlaced and it's got some more clearance for grinds. I ride Colt tires. They're produced by Kenda. I have premium Chado pegs, Chad signature pegs. Premium cranks with a 25 tooth spline drive sprocket. I like that a lot. It makes it look clean. I have a premium mid-size seat. It's like a little slimmer than the fat seat, but a little bigger for bar spans and stuff. And a premium carbon fiber seat post. I have a Shadow half-link chain, premium slim pedals, a Primo back wheel, and a BSD hub guard. And that's my bike.